that Rose, best tak the Alora bra?
Best gila. Fashion and the price is best gila. And I will not buy any other bras from now on.
Oh, best ya.
Itu best gila. And I always promote dekat orang yang bersenam, jadi bersenam, because that can replace your sports bra. Definitely. Kalau you beli sports bra, it's only meant for macam physical aja kan. Yeah, but if you buy this one, it is for the sports activity as well as for your beauty and also your health.
I see. You also di support okay tak the grip?
Yeah, they support and dia tak nampak lah yang benda tak patut nampak tu. Because sports bra sometimes they don't come with a sponge. So kan, jadi this one alhamdulillah secure.
Secure.
Yeah.
So Rose, apa lagi yang you kata best ni kalau for those ladies yang belum try?
It's very comfortable. Because like lah, the sports bra too, and sometimes it doesn't hide like certain bulges. This one is like it really follows and it hides the bulges and whatnot lah. But what I like about this, even if I sweat, I don't feel uncomfortable.
Tak rasa?
Like even the normal bra, kalau you sweat terus in balik terus nak buka cepat-cepat. Ni tak, biarlah. You know, I still can wear it. That's what I like about it.
And then orang kata dia seamless, rasa macam tak pakai bra. Betul ke?
After a while you macam tak notice that you're wearing a bra.
And selesa, very comfortable
Very comfortable.
tak sakit apa
Alhamdulillah.
And so thank you so much thank you so much for the testimony. So siapa yang belum cuba lagi, kena cuba
Kena cuba.
wajib.
You will not regret insyaAllah.
Tak nak pakai bra lain dah.
Tak nak beli dah yang percaya.
Alright, thank you so much.